Welcome to Time Tracker Pro, your personal AI assistant for project management. This demo shows our project financial planning and reporting capability. You have the ability to plan your budget hierarchy by leveraging our project roll-up feature. You can post your initial budget and the beginning of the year, and then adjust your forecast monthly with either our user-friendly interface or via Excel upload functionality. The planning is monthly, meaning that you can enter your complete plan for the month and save it to the database. You can then view the totals at the quarterly and the yearly plan levels. The actual numbers are taken automatically from your time entry screen. As and when the resources enter time, these numbers get accumulated against the respective milestone. You now also have the ability to post an expense in line to the respective project milestones. That way you can track both labor and non-labor cost in one place. These expenses are broken down by category and is available in our financial reports section. You can also enter detailed notes on these expenses and track them at the milestone levels. Expenses roll up all the way to the top-level project. Our financial reports section gives you the complete picture of every project in your portfolio, with several key performance indicators to show how your projects are performing. Some of the main KPIs that we use are CPI, Cost Performance Index, EAC, Estimate at Completion, and etc., Estimate to Complete. All these KPIs are available at the portfolio and project levels. Our free trial does not require a credit card, so please give us a try at timetrack.management.